And what guarantee do we have that the Czech authorities would keep him in their jurisdiction, that he has no authority or right to get out of Czech Republic?
There's no such guarantee.
So
We
there
need
is-
to respect their laws.
So there is a possibility that he may have gone out of Czech.
Possible.
And what will be the safety net, sir, kung sakaling wala na po pala dito sa Czech Republic si Zaldico?
Well, we're exploring all things. Basically, ang pinaka ano natin dyan would be the red notice. But this is actually, pag tinignan nyo itong scenario to, instead of us, di ba, looking at Portugal, looking at other places, no, we know he's in Europe.
By what capacity? I understand he has no Portuguese passport to begin with.
I don't know.
And his Philippine passport is also cancelled.
Yes. Yes, exactly. Pinaliliit natin ng mundo yung, di ba, ni former Congressman Sal.